Hi, this is Extend Office. When I delete these blank rows the usual way, the table next to them gets messed up too. So how can we remove the blank rows from just this table without affecting anything else? Here are 3 easy ways to do it. First, select the first block of blank cells across all columns in your list. Move the pointer to the border of the selection, then hold down the Shift key. The pointer will change to a double-line, two-way arrow. Keep holding Shift and drag the selected blank area up to the bottom of your data. Release the mouse. Excel will move the blank cells out of the way. Repeat these steps for any other blank blocks. To remove several blank sections at the same time, select the first blank block. Hold down the Ctrl key while selecting the other blank blocks, so all the blank areas are selected together. Right-click one of the selected areas. Choose Delete. In the Delete dialog box, select Shift Cells Up. Click OK. Excel removes all the selected blank cells and moves the remaining data upward within those columns. If you have a lot of blank rows and do not want to select them one by one, Kutools for Excel gives you a much easier way to remove them all at once. After installing Kutools, select the entire data range. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Delete. Point to delete blank rows. Choose in selected range. In the dialog box, select Delete blank rows in the range. Click OK. Kutools removes the completely blank rows inside the selected range and shifts the remaining data upward without affecting data outside the selected range. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.